Welcome to another 4x4 Ventures episode. In this episode, we do something a little bit different. I have here in my hand a product sent to me from an awesome little company called SUV Doorstep. They've made a fantastic looking little product that I've seen a little bit about it on the web. This is going to be an unboxing and initial impressions review on this product. And I think for those of us who need to gain access to the roof, it makes a whole lot of sense. Whether it's for packing, stacking, or strapping, this little product I think is going to come in handy and save a lot of us out there the issues of being able to gain access to the roof. So let's get on in, let's get the knife out, let's cut this pack open and see what it holds. Okay, cool. So a little pack with 2 boxes in. Easy access to your vehicle roof is just an SUV doorstep away. How do we get into this bad boy? Okay, so we'll just rip and grip. Cool. So a little thank you card, 1-year warranty. That's great. But anyways, back to it. So you get a nice little velvet sock that looks of really cool quality. Actually looks quite good. The 2 little straps here that obviously close the pack. And let's pull this one out. Wow, thank you SUV Doorstep. Cool. So this actually looks really well made. It's got, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got little checkered plating with grooves inset for access or for slippage, prevent slippage. How this product actually works is it opens up to reveal a hook. It's 15 centimeters long and 9 centimeters when the shackle is opened. Now, what separates this product to others that I've seen out there in the marketplace is this brilliant little rubber backing. Also, I don't know if you can see this, but it's got a little metal tip at the end of this. I believe that this can be used to smash open any windows if you find yourself in the need to do that. Just great, well made. There's a bit of rattle to it. That's only on this part. The hinge that separates the hook from the main footplate is a little bit wobbly, but it feels solid. It feels solid, and like I say, you know, once it's in its pack, it makes sense. So I think enough with the toying around. Why don't we put this thing to the test and see what it can do. So the SUV Doorstep is powder coated in what seems to be an anti-corrosive paint. I don't know how long that'll last, and really, to be honest, I don't know if I really that much care about the paint, to be honest. I mean, I think at the end of the day, it's about practicality for me. So to gain access to the roof is, you know, my first priority, right? And secondly, can it withstand my weight? I think I'm about 104, 105 kilograms. So I'm very interested to see if this actually has the durability to stand and work for a while. And I'll do another review in another video in the future. But for now, it's machined very nicely. I can see where they've got inset grooves to try and save weight. I believe it's about 11.5 ounces, which equivalates to about 3.2 grams. What's really impressive is this really nice rubber backing. So it goes into the door hinge or door striker, and essentially it counter levers. So you put your weight here and counter levers on the door hinge. What's really nice to see is the high quality finish on the engraving, and it is in a powder coat or anti-corrosion paint. The hook seems to fit really nicely into the striker or door hinge, and I believe international standards is that this door hinge here can take 2,500 pounds. This is rated to take 231 kilos or 510 pounds, and this is actually mounted to the structural integrity or frame of a vehicle. So yeah, I believe it can hold the weight for sure, and this rubber is fantastic because it will prevent any sort of knocking or scraping on one's body paint. You know, so yeah, it seems practical. I just love the finish. I think it's a great finish. I think the best thing to do is just get up there and see what happens. So let's do that. First time going up. Feels very solid, and I'm bouncing, hey? I can see the roof of my car hasn't been cleaned, so now I've got good reason to come up here and clean it. I think it's a brilliant little idea and a nice piece of kit. I can now reach just over halfway over my vehicle's roof, so it makes a hell of a lot of sense. Gain access to my stuff mounted on the roof. Yeah, it works. What can I say? It's quite crazy how such a simple design and well made by SUV Doorstep, how something so simple can save so much time and effort. I just cannot wait to really use this thing. I think it's going to have so many more advantages for me. As someone who battles with a bad back, I could just see this thing working, hey? So, guys, if you're like me and you've always wanted to gain access to your roof and you found it cumbersome, then I think SUV Doorstep has nailed it. From an initial review point, I think that these are well made, such a simple and elegant, well-crafted piece of equipment. I think it makes sense. I think it's practical, it's lightweight, it's small, you've got different colors, and you know, the little window breaker on the end there, versatile. Will it last? I have no idea, and I will do another review in some time as I use it more and more often. It gives me good reason to get up onto the roof now. I just like it, and it just makes so much sense. So thank you to SUV Doorstep. Thanks for sending me these. I can't wait to put them through their paces where I'm actually loading the vehicle. I think it's a great little product, and I think do yourselves a favor, purchase them. I'll put all the links down below. Our next episode we're going to be shooting is a review on the front runner box drawer slider system. So stay tuned, because that one's interesting. We took them out to Botswana, so I have a really nice comprehensive review on that product that's fitted to the Ford Ranger. But for now, guys, SUV Doorstep, thanks so much for sending these to me. Till the next one, cheers.